China is gearing up for an exceptional travel season. Travel authorities and tourism industry players are expecting record-breaking journey numbers during the upcoming Spring Festival, adding new steam to the country's economic recovery. The Spring Festival, which falls on February the 10th this year, is China's biggest festival for family reunions. It will serve as an important window for observing vitality and consumer confidence levels in the world's second-largest economy. A surge of both inbound and outbound travelers is also expected.
那么根据以往的出入境客流的规律，我们预计在春节期间会迎来新一波的出入境旅客的高峰。国家移民管理局已经专门部署全国边检机关，提前做好充分准备，为中外旅客提供必要的便利和帮助，全力保障春节期间口岸通行安全、顺畅、有序。在此也欢迎海外华人华侨返乡过节，欢迎外国朋友来中国感受中华传统文化。
An estimated 80 million passenger trips, a record high, are likely to be handled by China's civil aviation sector during this year's Spring Festival travel rush, which starts on January the 26th and ends on March the 5th, according to the Civil Aviation Administration of China. This figure represents a 44.9% surge compared with the same period of 2023 and is an increase of 9.8% from the level recorded during the Spring Festival travel rush in 2019.